All right, this is the first attempt at starting after the fuel pump. 87 Blazer has been sitting for at least 5 to 10 years. I just put a fuel pump in it, so let's see. I think this engine's done. Okay, so the engine is not locked up. Well, it was locked up, but it looks like it was caused by the starter. So I turned the flywheel a little bit with a pry bar and got the starter gear off of the flywheel. And let's see if that works. All right, crank it over again. All right, that's good for now. At least it's not locked. That's good. All right, so we're pulling out spark plugs to do a compression test. And cylinder number 3, full of water. Yeah, so we do have a blown head gasket, and that's why it's acting all funny. So let's get back to work. Coolant. You should have seen the squirt of water that came out of those cylinders when I turned it over. Let's spray the floor here. The tire. Yeah. A lot of water in the cylinders. I got the injectors firing a little bit. I had to beat it with like a little metal tool, and then I put a 9-volt battery to the post. I took those connectors off and I put a 9-volt battery to it while I was beating it, and it got free and started spitting fuel. So I'm gonna try to start this thing. All right, go ahead, give it a shot. Hell yeah. All right, let me put those plugs back in. Go. Do it again. Okay, so the first actual drive was not recorded because I'm here alone, because whenever you're working, people disappear. That's gasoline dripping from the fuel tank that I dripped going around the whole yard there, and I finally got it into the shop here. where it leaked a little bit more, but it stopped now. Let me see if I can get some light. There's a light in there. You can see how it's dripping in there. Yep. We're gonna have to replace the tank, but now it's easier to work inside of here. So slowly but surely.